70s soft rock, otherwise known as yacht rock. I've got 5 happy tunes lined up for you here that are guaranteed to put a smile on your face, take you down memory lane. They're great songs for singing and strumming, and you're gonna know all of them. So I'm gonna count down from 5 to 1 like I always do, and let's just kick it off. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm Steve. All right, for number 5, we'll take the capo off and play one of the coolest songs, You Can Do Magic by America. Starts off with the drum and the keyboard. Chords, isn't that amazing? E minor to B minor, B as in boy. You can bar it if you want to. C major, D major, over and over again. Get some palm muting. Get low to high like this. Here I'm doing that. The low notes of the palm muting with this big ring out of the high notes. Same chords all the way through. What a blast to play. At number 4, this one's got a really memorable and catchy chorus. It's I'd Really Love to See It Tonight. Ends right there in C major. Isn't that nice? C major with the capo on the 5th fret. I'll come back to the chorus in a second, but the verse goes like this. Like that. So you begin with an F major, and if you can play it with your thumb, that allows you to hit the high E string open like that, which is pretty cool. To a G major, but you can do a regular F to G major. I'm not even hitting the top part of that G major. And back to C. Does it again. F, G, C. Then it goes to E minor. I'm not sure why I called A minor and F to G like that. Builds up some momentum. Does that twice, and it goes into the chorus. And the chorus is back to F. And I don't F major, talking G major about E minor, hangs out on that, F, G, E minor, A minor. Okay, so the second time around it jumps from E minor to A minor pretty quickly. Does it again, but there's a warm wind, F, G, E minor, A minor, and I'd really love to see it tonight. And that, F with a high E string right there, really love to see it tonight. Back into C major, sounds really cool. Moving on to number 3, you remember this line about the albatross and the whale? They're my brothers. How crazy is that? It's in A major. It's Cool Change by the Little River Band. There's one thing does another verse and it goes. Really sweet right here. So A major, like that. The verse goes from A to G major, D major, and back to A. Repeats that a couple times. Then that chorus goes D major, A, big strums, D, A. I know that it's time D, A for a cool, E major, A. Does it again. Now That My Life, D, A, D, so prearranged, back to A, D, A for a cool, change like that. If you want to do that walk up, you go from E major, open E string, 2nd, 4th of that low E string, back to A major. In the middle, it does this little bridge, C, it again, C, and then it does an E major, and then it goes right back back into a verse in A. But the main part of the song is time cool change. Really sweet in A major. Okay, number 2, let's learn the song I showed you at the beginning of this video. It's You Are the Woman by Firefall. Now I play it in C major with a capo on the 2nd fret. I think that's pretty easy, and it goes, very cool. So C major, E minor. Now a couple people have noticed in the comments, I play an E minor and an A minor with one finger. I think it's easy. You just drop it right in the middle of both of them, try to hit them, and if you don't hit one of the notes, probably isn't a big deal. Then to D minor, G, and does it again. C, E minor, D, G, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, of my heart, C. A couple times in the song it does those quick little staccato notes on the D minor. Then it goes to the verse, or I guess it's the verse maybe. Alright, so we start off here with an F. If you can play the F major with your thumb, I do that because it allows me to release this high E string like I did in one of the other songs. F major, C major, but for just a second, release the B string, play the open B string, and put it back on to a regular C major. And right after you do that, you got to go to a G, to an F, again, back to the F. Now you can do a regular G major. I'm really just trying to hit the middle notes right there. Back to F, C, G, F, da-na-na-na-na, C, D, D minor, you know I'll be there, G, and back to C. You are the E minor, D minor, G, same thing. I knew from the start. How cool is that one? And at the top of the list at number 1, the song's amazing. It's Orleans with Dance With Me. Now I'm going to show you a couple of notes at the beginning and then transition just to easygoing chords. It goes like this. Really, really sweet. So it's in D major, no capo, and the first notes go like this. So you put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and this one on the 2nd fret of the B string, and you hit the D string, G, B, and high E string, and then you go to a regular D major. So those are the first notes. And then you can go like this if you want to. Pretty easy. You take the D major, just release the high E string, add it back on, and then whether you use your pinky or this finger, put it on the 3rd fret of that high E string, regular D major, and open it up again. So you go G. Now it gets really hard to play all the notes because they got multiple guitarists, so it's hard to do those with the chords. But after going from D to G, then it goes E minor, G, A major. I just lay my finger down sometimes on the A major and hit the low notes. D. One more time. D, G, G major, E minor, G, A major, D. And now the verse or bridge or whatever goes like this. G, major. You can play it however you want to. G major, A major, G. Then you go to an E major, but if you can, add the 2nd fret of the G string right there and go. So you're basically adding that onto the 2nd fret of the G and back to your regular E major, and then it goes, I can tell you where you want to go. Sweet. When it goes I, it goes G, A major, and you you saw what I did. I take my thumb and wrap it around to that first fret of the A string, or you can play a regular A major like this maybe. You're just taking A major, and just for a second, you're doing this walk up from the open A to that first fret to a B minor. And if you want, you can also just hit the notes like this, the single note on the A string. Ready? So right before the B minor, you can just hit that one note. That's an option. And then it goes E minor, O, A, dance with me. And then you're back where you started. Man, that thing is amazing. If you need to, pause it, slow-mo, rewind. But what did I tell you? Classic songs that everybody remembers and loves. Even if you don't, love yacht rock, man, these things put a smile on your face. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some more suggestions. And I got part 2 coming up with a bunch of people. Jerry Rafferty, some more America, maybe Christopher Cross. Anyway, I'll catch you around. Later.